In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get receipts of payments on Google Pay. If you need proof of purchase for reimbursements, tax records, or personal budgeting, I'll walk you through a clear, reliable way to access and save those receipts from your browser. First, open your web browser and go to payments.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you use more than one account, double check that you're signed in to the one you used to make the payment. Once you're in, you're looking for the area that shows your Google Pay activity, which includes purchases, money transfers, and other transactions tied to your account. Next, click on the Transactions tab. Depending on your screen size, this may appear in the left sidebar or along the top. You'll see a chronological list of your activity, typically showing the merchant or recipient, the amount, and the date. Take a moment to scan the list. If you have many entries, you can narrow your search by looking for familiar names, recent dates, or specific amounts. Now, click on the specific transaction or order you want to view. This opens the detailed view for that payment. If you're not sure which one is correct, look at the date and amount to match it with your records. You can also notice the status, like completed or pending, to confirm you're opening the right item. A detailed page or window will open showing the full breakdown of the transaction, including the receipt. Here, you'll typically see the merchant or recipient, date and time, amount paid, taxes or fees if applicable, and the payment method details such as the last four digits of the card or bank used. Review everything to ensure it reflects the purchase you're documenting. To keep a copy, use your browser's print function. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl plus P. On a Mac, press Command plus P. In the print dialog, choose Save as PDF to create a digital copy, or select your printer to make a paper version. Give the file a clear name, something like the merchant and date, so you can find it later. If the layout looks cut off, switch between portrait and landscape or adjust the scale until the receipt fits cleanly on the page. If you prefer another route, you can also visit your Google account activity page to review related activity and cross-check details. This can help if you're verifying recent actions or confirming dates before saving the receipt. That's it. Review the transaction, open its details, and save or print the receipt for your records. Thanks for watching, and keep your receipts organized and secure.